Hey everyone, it's Remy. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about marketing plans and how to make one. Identifying your target market and matching your product to your audience can be tough, and that's where a marketing plan comes in. Today, we'll get into 5 steps to making a marketing plan to help your business expand its reach. A marketing plan is a document that a company uses as a blueprint for advertising and outreach to specific markets. Marketing plans help companies grow their reach and increase business through clear planning. It's clear that an organized and thought out marketing plan can lead to success, but where do you start? We have 5 steps to help you create a lasting marketing plan. Starting with step number 1, state your business's mission. Your business mission could be to make booking travel delightful, or connecting people looking to learn a new skill to experts that can teach them. Whatever it is, make sure that it's clear. Once you have your business mission, you can create the mission of the marketing plan. Taking the example of a company that works to make booking travel as easy as possible, the marketing mission might be something like attract an audience of travelers, educate them on the tourism industry, and onboard them onto our platform. This mission will serve as your guiding light, and as you move forward, you can always refer back to it. If creating a mission is new to you, or if you want some structure to help you build a great one, HubSpot is offering free marketing plan templates. You'll get templates on budgeting, strategy, technology, and more. So make sure to check out the link for that down below in the description box. Okay, moving on to step number 2, identify your buyer personas. Buyer personas are the types of people you want to attract to your business. These personas could focus on things like age, location, income, or interests. Once you have these personas outlined, it will help you determine your overall marketing strategy. If your buyer personas are people who use social media frequently, for example, you'll know to market heavily on social media to get the best return. Take your time when researching your buyer personas, as this will heavily affect your plan later on. And that brings us to step number 3, define your content designs and strategy. This is the real roll up your sleeves and get into the work part of a marketing plan. There are so many avenues for creating and delivering content, so deciding which one is best for you and your company is very important. At this point, you should define the following things: the type of content that you'll create, whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, or TikToks. Outline which forms your content will take. How much content will you create? Figuring out how much content you're going to put out and when will help determine the budget, both money and time-wise. Where will your content live? Are you going to focus on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn? Having a home base for your content will help the overall vision of the plan. Also, making sure that you have platform-first content will help you win with marketing. Make sure that the content fits the platform in terms of format, topics, and styles. With these elements figured out, you'll have a roadmap for how to best plan and execute your content. Having a roadmap will help you on your marketing plan journey, but you might get bogged down in some of the more technical aspects of the marketing world. To help, HubSpot is offering a course in the fundamentals of digital marketing. Marketing is a digital game, and the more you know, the wider your reach will be. This course covers what digital marketing is, best practices, and how to implement a marketing plan. Make sure to check out the link for it in the description box down below. Step number 4, you have to define your budget. This can be a tricky one. Figuring out how much money you can afford to put into your marketing plan versus how much money will be effective is super important. You don't want to overspend, but you also want to make sure that you're putting your money in the right place. There are some hidden costs when it comes to marketing. These can take the form of ads, sponsorships, freelance fees, a full-time hire, designers, the list can go on. Make a list of what's essential and then make a list of what would be nice to have. This can help you pare down what's essential and what you want to work towards. And finally, in step number 5, outline who you're working with and what everyone is responsible for. At this point, you should have your mission statement, your content plan, and your budget. Now you need to set up clear and achievable expectations so the work can move forward. The greatest of plans can fall apart if there's no follow-through or accountability. Clearly defining who is responsible for what and when everything is due, make sure that your marketing plan runs smoothly. The more organized you are going in, the more effective your marketing plan will be, and the better your business will do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I can't find this client info. Have you heard of HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform, so it shares its data across every application. Every team can stay aligned. No out-of-sync spreadsheets or dueling databases. HubSpot. Grow better.